Welcome back. Now, the government of Imo State, led by Governor Emeka Ihedioha and security chiefs in the state, have paid a condolence visit to residents of Izuosu community in Oguta local government area of the state, now following the bomb explosion they suffered on Thursday. The Deputy Governor, Gerald Irona, who represented the governor, was at the scene of the incident in company of security chiefs in the state. The security chiefs present include the Commissioner of Police, CP Rabiu Lapido, Commander 34 Artillery Brigade, Brigadier General Y.I. Takura, and the DSS Director, Henshaw Arthur Warren, among other represented service chiefs. Addressing the residents, the Deputy Governor assured them of the cooperation of the present administration. On his part, the Commissioner of Police, CP Rabiu Lapido, said the situation is under control and there is no cause for alarm, promising that the security agencies in the state will continue to work harmoniously to ensure the protection of lives and properties in the state.
Governor of Imo State, Chief Emeka Ihedioha, express the heartfelt condolences on behalf of himself and the good people of Imo State. And the people of Imo State to watch iron. Not every iron that person can just play with.
For still battling with the faults of the sad incident, some of the residents lament the manner in which the situation was handled.
I know if I cried yesterday because my brothers, when I come across this thing, I'm crying, maybe smoking, or just more little boys. So when you two of them, the other, it's not troublemaker for this village. So I'm not happy with an accident.
Some of the security, the ICW, have already got him arrested. The guy was coming here with the coordinator. Unfortunately, both people angry or whatever, something happened. There was something emotionally happened, so they're not carrying cutlass to come and threaten him. That's why that guy ran away.
This happened. I feel very, very, very thanks because it's a very heavy loss to me. A boy that finished taking his junior work and is now about to promote into another class before this incident, so it's a very big loss.